a very beautiful project. We are going to create a house with sun and grass in Python. So let's start. First of all, as we know that whenever we are supposed to create a drawing or a design or a line, we have to take the library that is our turtle library. So we will import the turtle library. And now my library is done. I will create an object basically. So what is object? Object is like a pen. Okay, so from this library, you will basically create a pen. So this pen will basically help you to draw your designs. Okay, now your design we are going to create is a house. So suppose the speed of the pen we have to decide. So let's say the speed is 3. You can change the speed of your pen as per your choice. Then you have to decide what is the thickness of your pen. Okay, so thickness of line basically. So suppose the thickness is 3 again. So you can select this with this code, that is t dot width. Now I want to create a rectangle. So let me explain you with my pen here that how we are going to create a rectangle in Python. So suppose this is the 0, 0 coordinate. We will start from here and I will move 150 in forward direction. So this is 150 here. Then I will take my pen left with 90-degree angle, and then my pen will move left with 90-degree angle and it will again go to 150. Then I will again move to left and then again will go to 150 and then again move left and again will go to 150. This way we can create a square in Python. Okay, so this square is basically 150 by 150. So we are going to create this. So the position is basically, we are going to start from 0, 0. Okay, so let's create this in Python. So the first step is you have to select the color of your choice. Suppose my house color is brown. Okay, then you have to take the step forward with, suppose this is 150. Okay, so I will write 150 here and then you will take your turn in left direction with 90-degree angle. Okay, so this will be t dot left 90. Okay, now this is basically will create this line. If I run this, you can see here, this will create this line. So this line is done. Now I want to move again with 90-degree angle. So my pen is already moved with 90-degree angle. So I have to go forward with 150. So either you can write this again or you can create a loop here. How you can create a loop here? Simple, you will write I in range. Basically, loop is used when we are supposed to create a repetition project. Okay, something which is going to be repeated. So I will create this loop for 4 times because one line is done, 2, 3, 4. So I will create this loop for 4 times. Then this is done. Now you can see here your square will create it. Let me run this code and you will see here now your house is, this square is done. Now you will create the roof. So you will go this pen in upward direction and then you will create a roof here. Okay, so now let me explain you how you will go in the upward direction. So you will go at this position. Then this position is basically this point. So let's say this point is what? This point is nothing but 0, 150. Okay, so this point is 0, 150. Now, if I create a roof here, so I will create a roof like this. So this will be your roof. Okay, so what will be this point? So this point is nothing but, if you understand this, so this is 150, right? This is 150. So half of this 150 is 75. So this will be 75. And then what is this height? The height of this from the ground. If you calculate this, then it will be 220. So this will be the coordinate of this point. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 152. Your pen will go with this point 75, 220. And what is this point? This point is nothing but 150 in X direction and 150 in Y direction. So this point will be this. Okay, so my pen will go now in this direction. So my coordinates are decided now. So what you will do is you will just take your point to 0, 150 because initially I am here. So I have to take my pen to this position 0, 150. Okay, now I will take the color. Suppose I will take color red color, and then I want to fill the roof. So I will start begin fill. Okay, then I will go to which position? That is your 75, 20, 20. Okay, 75, 20, 20. And then next is 150, 150. Clear? So this will be your roof. And then you will end your color filling process. So now if you can see here, T dot go to 0, 150. First of all, your pen will go here. Then your pen will go to this 75, 220, and your pen will go to this 150, 150. Okay. So now if you run this code, now you can see here, this is your square and this is your roof. Okay. Now my pen is here. I want to take my pen and I want to draw a door. So I will explain you how you can create a door. Let me take a pen again. So now I want to create a door. So how this door will be look like this? Okay. So this, sorry. So this will be your door. Okay. Clear? So this will be your door. Now, what is the position of this door? Can you see here? The position of the door is, this point is basically 60, 0. Suppose, okay, this point is 60, 0, and this height of this door is again 60. So if I write here, the height of the door is 60 and this door width is 30. So this is 30. Okay. So what will be the point here? So let's take the point and how you can create a door. First of all, you have to take your pen up because now my pen is here. Okay. So I have to move my pen from here to this position. So take your pen up and then go to the points. Which point? The point is 60 in X direction. So 60, 0. Now take your pen down. And now you can take the choice, take any color of your choice. Suppose the door color is black. Now what you will do is you will go forward with 30 because see, now I am here. So I will have to take this 30. Okay. So this is 30. And then you will take left with 90-degree angle and you will move forward with 60. Okay. So what this will create? This 30 and 60. Let's run this code and you can understand how this is going to create. See here, this is 30 and then 60. Now my pen is here. Okay. Then again, I have to move my pen in the left 90 and then 30 and then left 90 and then 60. Okay. So this code have to be repeated. So again, what I will do is I will create a loop here so that I do not have to repeat this. And because I have to do this 2 times, so I will just complete this in 2 times. Okay. And then T dot left, you have to take a left now. So this will be your code for the door. And if you run this, now you can see here, this will be your house. Now your house is done. Now I want to create a sun. So my sun will be at any random position. So take your pen up. Okay, take your pen up. So T dot pen up and go to any random position. So suppose I'm going to the position minus 220, minus 200 to 150. Okay, you can go to any position. Then you will take your pen down and the color of your sun is T dot color, that is your orange color. Okay, you can take any color. Suppose yellow you can also take. And then you will fill the color with begin fill, and you will create a circle. And what will be the radius of the circle? Suppose the radius of the circle is 50, then T dot and fill. So this will create the sun. How this will look like? Can you see here? This is your house and this is your sun. Perfect. It looks beautiful. Now I want to create grass. Okay. So now I will take my pen. My pen is now here. So I will take my pen up and I will move to this position. Okay. So what is this position? So take my pen up. Let's move T dot pen up and then go to some random position. Suppose I want to create the grass at -200 and -20. You can create grass at any point. Okay, that is your choice. And take your pen down. And then you will take the color of your grass is green. Okay, now you will create how your grass will look like. So I will explain you with the pen again here. See, your grass will be like this. So now you are suppose at this position, this is -200 to 20, -200 and -20. So what I will do is I will take the angle at 60 degree. So my angle is 60 degree and I will move 20 steps. So this will be like this in the forward direction. Then my pen is here. I want to come backward. So I will come backward with again 20 steps. Now I am here. Okay, forward and then backward. Now I am here. So what I will do next? I will do 120 angle in right. So what is 120 angle in right is like this. So I will create forward 20 and then backward. So now again I'm here. So can you see what is the code? Let me again repeat this. See, what I'm going to do is T dot left with 60. Then T dot forward with 20 steps. Okay, and T dot backward with 20 steps. See, this code will do this thing. This one. This line will be drawn. Okay, T dot left 60 angle का बनाएगा वो और forward जाएगा 20 and backward 20. Now T dot right 120. 120 angle will be from the right. And then T dot forward 20 and T dot backward again 20. Okay, let's run this and then you will see what is going to be the output. If you can see here, this is your house. This is the sun. And can you see here the grass is look like this? Now I am here. Okay, so I am here. So I have to create this grass. I have to repeat this. So what I will do is I will take my pen up and then I will take forward step, suppose 20. Okay, so now what I will do is from this point, first of all, you have to T dot backward. After this, you have to take your left 60 first and take your pen up now. Then you have to move forward again with 20. Okay, so now what you will do is basically what you are going to do here. Let me explain you. See, I am here with this. I am here now. So what I will do is I will move 20 steps here and then I will repeat this process. Okay, so this is I am going to repeat now. So what is the best way to repeat this? You will just T dot pen down. So what is the best way to create a loop here? So what is the loop for I in range? Suppose I want to create 20 grasses here. So this is the way you can create 20 grasses. Just run this code and now you will see a house, a sun and grass. Let's complete this. Okay. And then last is T dot turtle dot done. Okay. Now let's run this. Let me delete this for you also so that things will look clear. Now run this code. Now you can see this is the house. Okay, this is the sun and these are the grass. Can you see how beautiful it is looking? So this is the project. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much, class. Please subscribe this page for more videos like this based on the project, based on Scratch.